Ava, ride your horse towards Mama. Come this way. Ride it. What do you say? No, say yeehaw. Yeah. Tell me how you ride your horse again.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, can you ride that way? Say, go, horsey, go. Go, horsey. Yeehaw. Hey, this is what we do for fun in Arkansas. Okay, I won't worry.